I'm asking one question.
Mhm.
How to change my background? Do you have idea?
If you are doing from mobile, then you
Hmm.
can't change your background. And if you are doing from tablet or um, laptop, then you can change.
Okay, so in this mobile, we have not option to change background.
No, there is no option. You can just only do, I think, blur your background.
Okay, blur means.
Blur means like your surrounding will be totally, it will not visible, I can say. But the video looks not good.
Okay, okay. Yes, I you got it. I want to change my background means not clearly show my background.
Hmm. But I
In this.
never done this. But I never done this, so I can't help you.
Okay, okay. No issue, ma'am. No issue.
Yes. So we are
Okay.
meeting first time. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Rishi Kumar. I'm calling from West Bengal. Basically, I'm from Bihar. If you talk about my qualifications, so I have done graduation, history honors, and DCA diploma in computer application. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobby is listening music and sometimes gardening. Uh, I'm married person. I'm fathers of two kids. That's all about me.
Okay. Do you want my introduction?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
I am Tanya. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. I have a daughter also. And my hobby is watching movies and playing badminton with my daughter. That's all about me.
That's great, ma'am. Great to know about you.
Yeah. Why you moved here from Bihar to West Bengal?
For working purpose, I'm working in cement industry as a wet bridge operator.
Okay. For job purpose, you moved here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how long have you been learning this English language, spoken English?
I have been trying to learn this language for the last 1 year.
Mhm.
Still, I'm facing grammatical mistake, so I want to improve my grammatical knowledge.
Mhm.
And I don't have face-to-face experience. I don't
Mhm.
have environment. That's why I came here this platform.
Yes, it's a very good platform. Every day you can do video conversations.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
ma'am. You're right.
So, what kind of problems are you facing in this spoken English?
Sorry,
What
ma'am.
kind
Can
of
you?
what kind of problems are you facing? Like sometimes your mind is goes blank. Sometimes you are not finding proper vocabulary. What kind of problems are you facing?
Yeah, I'm facing like most of time where I use helping verb. So I'm
Hmm.
very confused sometime tense, especially tense. Sometimes I'm talking about continuous tense, and I said sentence simple present tense. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm very confused to how to make sentence and where I use helping verb. So this
Hmm.
type issue I'm facing.
Okay, this is your first conversation.
No, no, I already I think 15 or 16 conversation I done on this application.
Did you find any difference from your past conversation? Because that time I think you were doing so many mistakes and now
Yes,
you are improving.
yes, ma'am. You're right. You're right. When first day I connect with that time I faced lots of issue. That time I faced very hesitation how to speak with them. But you can say little bit I improve my
You overcome
fear.
you overcome this problem. Fear of
Yeah.
speaking, fear of agitation also. Yes. If you are speaking continuously, then you can overcome this problem.
Okay.
This is the only way.
Okay. That's thank you. Thank you.
And if you are making video conversation, then you can watch your video again and again. Then you can rectify your mistakes where you are doing mistakes. But if you are
Yeah.
thinking, first I will do some grammar work, then I will speak, it's a wrong
Hmm.
practice. You should just try to speak again and again. You should do conversations, audio conversation, video conversation. Day by day, you will analyze your mistakes and you can improve.
Okay.
Hmm.
But some means sometime I try to translate Hindu to English in my
Hmm.
notebook. That
Hmm.
time I am able to translate sentence Hindi to English. But if you talk about while conversation, I forget the sentence. I make mistakes.
It needs practice.
Okay,
After
it's neat.
practice, you can do.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, if you are thinking after 15 conversation, 20 conversation, I will overcome all these problems. No, because it all depends on your surroundings, your
Hmm.
dedication, your hard work. Like you are also working, so I think you are getting few hours for practice.
Yeah, you are right, ma'am.
And every time you can't speak in English in your surrounding, like your colleagues, some friends also.
Yes, yes. I don't have environment in my
Yes,
in my family member, in
hmm.
my friend circle. So I
This
don't
is
have
the,
environment.
and we can't force every person, like our friends or surrounding. You should speak in English. We can't force.
Yes, yes, right.
But yes, nowadays there are so many applications. You can use that application wisely, and you can remove your hesitation, your fear. So many things you can, remove, and you can overcome this problem. And if
Yes, ma'am.
you are thinking within 6 months, 1 year, you will learn this language and you will become very fluent. It's all depend on your dedication.
Okay. Yes,
How
yes,
many
right.
hours are you doing practice with your co-learners? Self self learning. There are so many steps also, like shadowing practice, mirror practice, and sometimes self talk also. Sometimes you are talking with your co-learner. There are so many techniques. But in your case, like you are working also, so it will take time.
Yes, ma'am, you're right. And sometime means in my office there are lots of people working. So how I speak means how I use my English speaking app that time, because there are lots of person working there. If I that time talking with someone, they judge me. They think about what I do, means मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ, क्यों कर रहा हूँ.
Mhm.
So that's why I have some time in.
One idea: if someone is interested, if someone, your colleague, any friend is interested conversation in English, then you should do in English. If they are not comfortable, then you should speak local language. Okay, but yes, you can do your practice on Skype application, some other applications also available, where you can do everyday practice.
Okay, okay, yes, ma'am.
Because like sometimes if you are speaking English and they are not feeling comfortable, your colleagues, your friend, your family members also, I can say. So I think
Mhm.
we should speak in our local language that time.
Yes, ma'am, you are right.
Yes. But yes, you can do your practice on these platforms like Ace Fluency and Speak. There are some applications where you can do 10 or 15 minutes practice every day.
Okay, ma'am, definitely, ma'am.
Hmm. So how many sessions are you taking in one day? One, two, or
In
three?
the
How many?
one or average one video, one session, you can say.
I think it's quite good. You can do only one video session, and if you are getting more time, then you should do some audio calls also.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
And you can make your, there is one application, Grammarly. Do you know about Grammarly?
I don't know, ma'am.
You should go to search on Play Store, where you can find this application, Grammarly. You can write your whole day routine, what you did in whole day. Then you
Mm.
can take a photo and you can save or rectify your mistakes. It will rectify your mistakes.
Definitely,
Yes.
ma'am, definitely. After
Yes.
conversation, I will go and search.
Hmm. Yes. And every day you should write some your if you have time, then you should write your activities, what you did whole day. But you are a working person, I think you have few hours for these kind of activity, like writing your everyday routine.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
But yes, you can, describe your routine by self talk, mirror practice. Sometimes you can talk with your children also.
Yes, sometimes I try to teach them in English.
Yes.
And I also learn while teaching. I learn lots of things because
Yes.
earlier I don't know 10 animals name, 10
Mm. You can teach your.
vegetables and flowers name in English.
Mm. Yes.
But right now I know while teaching my son and me also remember these kinds of things.
Yes, you can teach your children, and after teaching, you can upgrade your skills, because every day there are so many, changes all around the world. So you can learn by these books.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why are you learning this language? Any specific reason?
Yes, I have two reasons to learn this language. Firstly, I
Hmm?
want to grow my career, and second, for my kids.
Okay. Second for your kids, and first for your career.
Yeah,
If you are a very good speaker in English, then you can get good job also.
definitely, ma'am. Definitely, if I have good much English communication knowledge, I can switch my job. I can got good job. That's why.
Interviewer are also checking your English eligibility.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, most of recruiter checking candidates communication skill, English skill. So that's why I came here, ma'am, especially.
Yeah. Nowadays, it's a global language, and we should learn this language. After learning this, you can get so many good opportunities.
Yeah, you, right, ma'am.
If you are going into the school, like your children are going into the school in PTM, mostly teachers are speaking in English.
Yeah, right.
That is the reason. Yes, it's a good initiative. We should learn this language, and we should learn so many skills also for our improvement, for our life improvement. There's so many things. Yes.